Welcome to Sponsorship Planner, the standalone card deck containing everything you need to design a schedule of benefits that are aligned to a potential sponsor's objectives. While the deck can be used in a live meeting with a potential sponsor, as a rights holder, you can also use it to have internal discussions to help prepare for meetings, a practice run of sorts so that when you go to the first meeting, you are well placed to discuss suitable objectives and benefits. In this video, we will walk you through how you can use the cards to achieve that for an automotive sponsor, whether or not you have one in mind or simply want to start prospecting in the category. The first step is to determine what the objectives of the sponsor are. To do that, place the 8 core objective cards in the middle of the table. The 8 core objectives are brand awareness, brand positioning, generate sales, qualified leads, build an audience, networking, relationship building, and community engagement. You should then put some thought into, or have a discussion with other staff in the office, around which objectives you think the sponsor would want to achieve through partnering with you. You will have also conducted market research to examine any identified potential sponsors' other marketing activities, and as such, the objectives you select in the exercise should be in line with what you understand their overall marketing strategy to be. We recommend focusing on no more than 3 to 4 objectives for which you believe you can help achieve through the benefits you have available. In this example, the potential sponsor's marketing objectives have been identified as brand awareness, brand positioning, community engagement, and building an audience. It is now time to focus on each objective individually. Select one core objective card and move the others to the side. Objective cards that are not needed should be placed back in the deck. Focusing on one objective, in this case brand awareness, you can now work through the deck and position benefit cards that are marked as being able to help brand awareness. Each benefit card is marked with a color-coded icon so that you can easily see what objectives the benefit can help achieve. Once you have laid out all of the suitable benefit cards for an objective, think through each benefit separately and consider if the sponsor is executing a similar benefit in another sponsorship, or even if you can see them using the benefit if they were to partner with you. At this stage, remember that the sponsor is not present. So this exercise is all about preparing so that when you do meet with a potential sponsor, you can show that you have put considerable effort into understanding their objectives and how you can best help achieve them. Remember that different sponsors have the ability to execute the same benefit differently to another sponsor. However, because the sponsor is not present in this exercise, you have a great opportunity to creatively think about how they could execute a benefit without actually committing it to them. No doubt you'll come up with lots of great ideas to have ready for discussion with a potential sponsor when the time comes. At the end of this step, you will be left with benefit cards that you think the sponsor would want to use. Although it's not a hard and fast rule, we do recommend having no more than 5 benefits under each objective. Once you think you have the right benefits selected, take a photo as a record. Following the same process, you should then focus on the remaining objective cards, nominating, discussing, and agreeing benefits that you think will best support each objective for the potential sponsor. Interestingly, you will note that most benefit cards help support multiple objectives. For example, hospitality can support networking, but it can also support relationship building. This is important to keep in mind as you progress to discussing benefits for the other objectives. As such, as you move from objective to objective, keep an eye on benefit cards that can be reused to support the other nominated objectives. Of course, don't forget to take a photo of the benefits identified for each objective. The result of this exercise will be a record of what you understand a potential sponsor's various objectives to be and which benefits you think are best placed to help them. You can then walk into a prospective sponsor meeting feeling well prepared to discuss how you can best work together.